Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about what you can do to set yourself apart from other people who are promoting the same business opportunity that you're in, and also how to develop the know, like, and trust factor with your leads. But first, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just go ahead and click the bell icon next to it. Now, on my screen here, I'm showing you a bridge page that I made for the Fearless Mama. Okay, this is a bridge page I made personally using a software that I've been using for years, and I'll talk about that later on. But here, basically, the bridge page has a video of yourself introducing yourself, thanking people for requesting more information, and talking a little bit about the business opportunity you're in. It does not have to be a very long video. In fact, I suggest that that the video should be less than 2 minutes long. So let me talk about the elements of the bridge page. Okay, now before I get into this, the bridge page goes in between the lead capture page, where you capture a person's email. They put in their email address requesting more information. Okay, that's the lead capture page. Then you have your bridge page that you make yourself, and then the third element is the video sales letter or presentation page that's usually from the company. Okay, the company has their own video sales page that actually promotes and sells the business opportunity for you. All right, so you have your lead capture page, your bridge page that you make yourself, and then the video sales page from the company. Now, the elements of the bridge page are: you have a short video introducing yourself, you tell them what your name is, and then you thank them for requesting more information. Okay, after that, you give a little preview of what the person is to expect when they click the button below the video. So here, as you can see in this video, I show a preview of the next page that they'll be going to when they click this Get Access Now button. Okay, so basically I tell them that when they click on the button, this is the page that they're going to, where a 7-figure earner is going to talk about how she's collecting hundreds of fresh leads daily, and then she's able to convert some of them into $250 commissions for herself, and how you can do it too. Okay, next I let them know that I just sent them an email, and I asked them to check their inbox for my email, and if they don't see my email in their inbox, to check their spam folder. Now, I also let them know that if my email is in the spam folder, just move my email to their inbox and save my email address as a contact so they don't miss out on any information that I send to them in the future. Okay, and as you can see at the top here, I also have that information here. Add my email to your contacts list so you don't miss out on emails from me. Check your spam folder if you don't see my email in your inbox. Now, the reason that I write this out here and also talk about it in the video is because sometimes people don't watch the whole video, even though it's less than 2 minutes long, or they don't watch the video at all and they just click on the Get Access Now button. So that's why I actually added this in writing here. Okay, and another reason why you want to tell people about this is because Gmail especially, but a lot of email accounts, they use really strict spam filters, and unfortunately some of your emails are going to end up in the spam folder. Okay, hopefully it doesn't, but sometimes it does happen. So that's why you want to give them this information, give your prospects this information, to let them know that if you don't see an email from me, check your spam folder because it might be in there. Okay, this will help to increase your open rates on your emails, and you're not wasting money on an email autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse, sending out emails every day and nobody's opening up your emails because they're not seeing them. Your emails are not getting to their inbox, they're going straight to the spam folder. So you're wasting, not only are you wasting money on an autoresponder, but you're also ruining the reputation of your domain, of your deliverability, because nobody's opening up any of your emails. So that's why you want this information. Write it on here on your bridge page and also talk about it in your video. Okay. Next, you want to also let them know that you will be emailing them from time to time, whether it's every day or every other day, talking about the business that you're in and how it can help them, and also giving additional business tips and strategies that they can use in any business opportunity that they may join. So it doesn't necessarily have to be for the opportunity that you're in, but they can use those additional business tips and strategies to promote any business opportunity they're in. Okay, so I put all of that information into I think this video is about 1 minute and 10 seconds. So you can pack a lot of information in 1 minute and 10 seconds or 1 minute and a half. Okay, so after that, after they watch the video, they click on Get Access Now and they go to the link to the video sales page for the opportunity that you're in, and you just let the company do the selling for you. Okay, now the reason that you should create a bridge page and a video introducing yourself is because this is the first part of what is called the know, like, and trust factor. Okay, you want your leads to get to know who you are, know your name, know what you look like, and also let them know that you're going to be emailing them every day or every other day, several times a week, talking about the business. This helps develop the know part of the know, like, and trust factor, because people join people. They don't join businesses. They don't join systems. They join people that they know, like, and trust. So you have to develop the know part first, and that's what this bridge video helps you to do. Most people who join a business opportunity, they don't create bridge pages. Okay, they just use the company replicated lead capture page and then send them off to the offer. Okay, so they're not introducing themselves to their leads. Okay, you're making yourself stand out from the crowd by creating this page, creating this video, allowing people to get to know you. Okay, so the more people get to know you, then they'll start liking you, and the more they start liking you, then they'll trust you. And when you get to the trust part, that's why I have it in red. Once they get to the trust part, that's when they make their decision to join you in your business opportunity. Most people, 99%, if not 100% of people who go to this next page here, to the video sales letter, most of them, 99%, are not going to join right then and there. They need to see your offer several times before they decide to join you in your opportunity. That's why the know, like, and trust factor is so important. They're not going to join you if they don't know who you are, and if they don't know who you are, they don't get a chance to like you or not like you, and they're definitely not going to develop any type of trust with you if they don't know you. Okay, so the bridge page helps to create the first part, the know part. Okay, and then when you start emailing your leads every day or every other day, several times a week, whatever your pattern is, then you'll start developing the like factor. Okay, where they see a picture of yourself, a profile picture in your emails. You ask them to reply to your emails so you can answer their questions. You put a phone number in there. It doesn't have to be a personal phone number. It could be like a Google Voice number or something, so they can contact you if they have any questions. Putting your Facebook profile link in your email so they get to see what you're posting about on Facebook. Hopefully it's positive things and not negative stuff. With all of that, and if you have a YouTube channel and you're making videos talking about your business opportunity and giving business tips and strategies, you can put a link to your YouTube video in those emails also. Okay, all of this will help to develop that like factor, and the more they start liking you, then they'll start trusting you, and that's when they will decide to join you in your business opportunity. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk about today, is how to build that bridge page. And you can use several different types of software. You You can use ClickFunnels to create your bridge page. I use OptimizePress right now. I've had it for years. Lead Pages is another good source for creating bridge pages and opt-in pages. And there's also the Power Lead system. I do plan on joining the Power Lead system hopefully next month, because I want to do some other things that are outside of OptimizePress, outside of the website that I have right now. Have another domain name and start creating lead capture pages and bridge pages with the Power Lead system. So if you're a beginner, I would say go with the Power Lead system. You can create unlimited lead capture pages, bridge pages, whatever, using the Power Lead system. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk about regarding the bridge page. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and click the like button. Okay, give me a good like there. And also, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. And if you're interested in joining the Fearless Mama or getting more information about it, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to learn more about the Fearless Mama. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.